Hi, welcome to How to Repair. 80111 is a fan oven element, half moon shape, 1700 watt. We're going to do a 360 rotational view of the element to assist you in matching it up to your existing element. We will also be doing an ohms reading test during this video so you can compare it to your existing element. 80111 is a 4-terminal element. This fits 6 brands of cooker and oven and over 307 models. This includes Bosch, NEFF and Siemens models. The overall length of the element from the bottom to the top of the mounting plate is 150mm. The wattage of this element is 1700 watt, and I believe it was reduced down from 1800 watt. This was due to the manufacturer changing the design of the element. Coming down to the mounting plate here, you can see that we have an internal diameter of 180mm. Terminal centres on each side are 21mm. The terminal length from the plate to the top of the terminal connections are 41mm. The plate width is 16mm and the plate length is 46mm on each side. The mounting hole centres are 36mm. And as I said, there is a mounting at the bottom of the element which is very difficult to get off on some models due to the fact that the fan motor blade needs to be removed. This is a 1700 watt element and the alternative part numbers are 00360604 and 0046443. To test the element, you need to set your meter onto ohms and continuity. This may be 2 different settings on your meter, but this meter does both on one setting. First, you need to test that you have continuity, which we have, but the meter also does an ohms reading. And as you can see, we have an ohms reading of 34.3. Now, using this with the Ohm's law calculator and the voltage that is stamped on the manufacturer's plate, you would be able to establish that your element is a 1700 watt element. On the previous elements that were 1800 watt, it will be a different reading. Now, if your element is tripping the electricity supply, this is meaning it is going to earth. The actual electricity passes through the element, down through the filament, and at some point through the element it may be breaking down on the insulation, which you can see here, and this would cause the electricity to trip in the household supply. The only way to test this properly is with an insulation tester, which I would not expect you to own at home, sometimes known as a mega.
Elements only become faulty for 2 reasons. The first reason is an element may have earth leakage, meaning that you are tripping the RCD supply in the house when you turn the cooker on. The second reason is an element may go open circuit, meaning it's no longer able to produce heat. Now, if your element goes on a regular basis, every 6 months or so, you want to make sure that you have checked the fan motor as well. Because if the fan motor is not running at the correct speed, the element might get too hot in one location and cause it to burn out.
If you're still having trouble finding the correct element for your cooker or oven, enter the brand and the model number into the search facility at the website. If that doesn't work, go to the Contact Us page at the website, fill out your brand, model and serial number, and the type of part you're looking for or the fault you have that you need assistance with. Thanks very much indeed for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful.